to be able to find the trigonometry, you can use your, basically you can use your calculator, or okay, let me use okay, let me use a simpler triangle. Yeah, so 30 degree and then 60 degree, yeah, for example. So 30 degree, if you use like the sine of 30, okay, sine 30 is half. You can take a look at your calculator, you can try it. Okay, sine 30 is half, so that means if this is x, this is actually 2x. Okay, sine 30, okay, half. Okay, and then cosine of 30 is basically cosine of 30 is basically root of 3 divided by 2. Okay, so if this is 2x, then this is x and the root of 3. Okay, so sine 30 is 1 over 2. Cosine of 30 is root of 3 divided by 2. Okay, because these are on the same triangle. So let's take a look at the sine 60. Okay, sine 60, if we take a look, it's supposed to be the root of 3 divided by 2, right? Because the root x and the root of 3 is the opposite, and then the hypotenuse is 2x, right? So sine 60 is supposed to be the root of 3 divided by 2. You can try to prove it on the calculator again. So sine 60, you can take a look, the root of 3 divided by 2. While cosine 60 is supposed to be a half, right? So you can take a look again at your calculator, use that calculator, cosine 60 is a half. Okay. Yep. Right, yeah, so those are the examples. Okay, now this is the basic of trigonometry, and as you see, it's basically a proportion between the sides of triangles based on its angle. Okay, and then what's important again, yeah, you have to know which one is the opposite, which one is the adjacent, and it's relative to the position of the angle. Okay, it can change, depends on where is the angle, but the hypotenuse is basically almost always the same. Yeah, so there are a couple of special angle, as you can see in page 119. Okay, page 119, you can see a couple of special angle that without calculator you can well, I would say memorize it, or you can try to understand it, okay, in a way. So there are a couple of special angle. First of all, 0 degree, and then 30 degree, 45, then 60 degree, then 90 degree. Okay, you have sine, cosine, and then tangent. Okay, so sine basically increasing. So sine in increasing. In Indonesian I would say sin selalu ingin naik gitu ya. Jadi sine of 0 degree is 0. Sine of 30 is a half, as we have proven before. And then sine of 45, half and the root of 2, half and the root of 3, and then half and the root of 4, which is equal to 1. Okay. Cosine is the vice versa of the sine. So it started with 1, and then half and the root of 3, half and the root of 2, half, and then 0. Okay, so that's cosine. And then the tangent is the division between the sine and cosine. So 0 divided by 1 is 0, half and divided by half and the root of 3 becomes a third of the root of 3. Half and the root of 2 divided by half and the root of 2 is 1. Half the root of 3 divided by half, so the root of 3. 1 divided by 0 is undefined. Yep. Alright, yeah, so that's basically it, the material of the basic trigonometry.